What's up, people? What's up, people? It's the end of day four. Day four. I will show you some blending of the juices that I did, but that's pretty much repetition. But been doing pretty good. Believe it or not, I did a 30-hour fast. Yesterday, I had my juice at 9:30 in the morning, and I wasn't hungry. And I just continued to go throughout the day and not continue to get hungry. And so I ended up. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna put it up to the camera. Hopefully it focuses. But I did a 30 hours and 19-minute fast, believe it or not. So I had a juice today. Feel pretty good. So I'm not gonna have another juice until tomorrow sometime. I can't say when, but I'm down a total of 8 pounds. 8 pounds on day four. Day four isn't over, so I can't wait to measure myself tomorrow. Weigh myself rather, because typically I don't want to do it day to day, but I've been getting positive results. So day four, 5 more days, 6 more days, 6 more days to go to day 10, okay? Day 10 is Monday. Tuesday morning I'll be completed. I don't know if I'm going to carry it on. I thought about doing 30 days for 30 pounds or something around that, to that nature, but I'm indecisive because I'm going home and see my mom sometime this month. And I know I'm going to want a cousin sub, Sam. Um, so can't say if I'm going longer than 20 days. But nevertheless, y'all stay tuned. Thank you for following this journey. 6 more days to go to this 10-day green juice fast, okay?